I stumbled upon something super underrated, like almost nobody's talking about this microphone online. And I was like, wait, baka this is something special. And that's how I found the Godox XMic 100GL. Honestly, feels like one of those legendary mics na bihira lang makita. Parang treasure na nakaimbak sa attic. So today, we're gonna break the silence, unbox it, test it, and see if this is the hidden gem people have been sleeping on. Yeah, I'm so excited. Come on. Yo, what's up mga kaibigan? Ariel here from Kwentong Musika, and today, I'm telling you right now, this mic surprised me. As in literal na surprise. We're reviewing the Godox XMic 100GL. And kaibigan, this thing is XLR condenser microphone, gold-plated capsule, full metal body, pero yung presyo hindi ka ready. Let's go. Quick background lang muna tayo mga kaibigan. Godox is basically the Avengers of the lighting world. Photography, videography, studio lights. Sila yun. But recently, they said, creators want audio. Sige, kami na rin bahala. And that, my friend, is how this mic entered the universe. Open natin yung box, and boom, look at that. The Godox didn't play around. First, we have the 5.8 to 3.8 adapter para compatible sa kahit anong stand. Second, we have also the metal shock mount. Matibay, hindi yung parang laruan. Hindi kagaya ng iba dyan. Parang laruan. Metal pop filter feels premium, hindi yung nylon na nanginginig pag malakas boses mo. Of course, the mic itself, very heavy. Solid na solid kaibigan. Full metal. Walang biro. And a super long XLR cable, kaibigan. Parang pinalo ka sa haba. This is what I call starter pack, pero pro level ang vibes. First impression natin, this mic is heavy. Like, not cheap heavy. I'm talking about legit condenser microphone heavy. Metal grill, solid joints, zero rattle. No plastic pretending to be metal, just pure confidence. I held it and literally said, okay, Godox, I see you. And of course, for the features, we have XLR condenser, not USB. This is important, kaibigan. The XMic 100GL is XLR, meaning you need an audio interface with 48 volt of phantom power. No interface, no sound. This is a real studio mic. It has a large diaphragm, gold-plated capsule. This is not your everyday budget mic, as in pang-recording talaga. And of course, eto ay cardioid polar pattern. It's cardioid pero hindi yung Celos type. It picks up you sa harap and rejects background noise at the side and the back. But remember, dahil condenser mic siya, maaari niyang marinig pati kapitbahay mo pag nagliligpit ng pinggan. I'm telling you kaibigan, the accessories alone make this worth it. Shock mount, check tayo doon. Pop filter, check tayo doon. Cable, wow. Adapter, of course. And of course, hindi na natin patagalin pa. Alright, let's go raw. So, this is the sound of the Godox XMic 100GL. Close range, very warm. Well, the clarity is warm, neutral, hindi harsh, hindi muddy, just clean, present vocals. Super astig yung output. Hello mic. Napaka-detalyado talaga yung low, yung mid, the highs. Hello mic testing. Hello mic testing, mic check. Hello baby. Okay, it rejects from the sides pretty well. But again, condenser mic siya. Hindi siya noise cancelling superhero. Talagang maririnig niya lahat ng background noise. This is very, very usable for covers, demo recording of course, worship vocals, acoustic sessions, YouTube music content, and marami pang iba. And of course, ito try natin sa ating instrument. And syempre, itetest natin gamit ang ating acoustic guitar. Sa init ng iyong mga kamay, doon ko lang natagpuan ang tunay. Ang pag-ibig mo walang kapantay, ang dahilan ng bawat ngiti kong taglay. Ikaw ang dahilan ng aking pagbangon, ang tibok ng puso ko walang hangganan. Ikaw ang aking mundo, sa'yo umiikot ang puso ko. And here, dito tayo sa pros, you can check the price of this mic. I'll put the link below, okay? This thing is insane value for the build, plus accessories, sound quality, kaibigan, sulit na sulit to. And again, kayo nang bahala sa presyo. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link dito sa description. Okay? Okay, for our final thoughts, kaibigan, the Godox XMic 100GL is a legit studio grade XLR condenser na kayang sumabay sa mas mahal na mics katulad ng mga Shure MV7 at marami pang iba. If you're into music, podcasting, streaming, or voiceover, this mic is a solid choice. But remember, this is not a toy. This is not USB. This is not for noisy rooms. This is a proper condenser microphone. And if you treat it right, it will deliver. Once again, this is Ariel from Kwentong Musika. If you enjoy this hype but honest review, hit like, subscribe, and let's talk in the comments, kaibigan. Happy recording!